Hey, so you're probably wondering whether there will be IGCSE, GCSE, or A-level exams in this coming October-November 2020 series. 2020 has been a wild year for us, and May-June 2020 series being cancelled for the first time in the century has brought us surprise and uncertainties in the future examinations. Well, I've come up with 4 scenarios that might occur for the coming examination series, but a disclaimer here. These are just my own personal predictions, so don't take them too seriously, and just be aware that these might be possible. Also, tell me in the comment section which examination series you're planning to sit for, and which scenario sounds most likely to happen. First scenario, everything is back to normal. I guess this is the one that everyone is hoping for. All GCSE, IGCSE, and A-level exams can be taken like how it was until 2019. A lot of schools around the world, including the UK, have reopened and are slowly going back to normal school hours. As long as we see that there are no more negative effects due to this, schools are expected to fully reopen by September, and October-November series won't be a big issue. Second scenario, schools are unable to accommodate offline examinations in school buildings, and exams are replaced by mock tests and predicted grades from teachers, which means the same thing that made up for the May-June series will occur. This time, the examination boards, teachers, students, and parents will be more prepared since it won't be the first time happening, and with a database from the May-June series, the grades may be given with more accuracy. Third scenario, schools still remain closed and exams are replaced by online examinations. Okay, this sounds and is more complicated than the previous scenarios. Some high security programs and guidelines will be needed to ensure that there is absolutely no cheating going on during the exams, and teachers and students will have to be specially trained for it. There can be problems such as unstable Wi-Fi connections, lack of digital device, and invasion of privacy if random spot checks around the room using the camera is required. And we all know how the online exams in our schools went. But this won't be the first case either. TOEFL IBT, the test of English as a foreign language, has come up with a new system where candidates can sit for the test at home. You can use your own equipment at home and you'll be monitored online by a human proctor, meaning someone will be watching you doing the test through the camera. But the point is, yeah, online exams for official exams like TOEFL are happening right now. So why not GCSE, IGCSE, and A-levels? Last scenario. Nothing has improved, but everything sounds too complicated and they want to stick to the old format. Reschedule all the exams to 2021. Online learning hasn't really been the most effective way of learning anyway. What about the practical classes? How are we supposed to know how to do the science experiments without being in a lab for a year? Online classes are way more stressful, but they feel like we're only learning half the stuff we're supposed to. Some may argue that the predicted grades and the grades given by the exam boards are not accurate enough compared to sitting for the real exams. Also, most schools have been closed since March, so how are the students going to be assessed through mock tests and coursework? Are they going to be accurate enough? We haven't met our teachers for so many months now. Will the predicted grades be able to represent our skills? I'm not saying that I don't trust the teachers, but that it's also going to be hard for them with so little evidence to provide. This is another possibility if things really don't get better. Everyone can sit for exams in 2021 May-June or October-November series. But what about college and university applications? So this is the most unlikely one to happen. These were some of my rather wild but possible thoughts on exams in October-November 2020 series. By the way, if you're thinking whether you should sit for your exam this year or next year, if it's GCSE or IGCSE, I would suggest to go for it this year unless you are 200% sure that you'll fail all of them. GCSE or IGCSE exams are not the final goal in your life. You have another big exam coming in year 12 and 13, so get done with them and move on. But to really help you organize your thoughts, I want to say there is one conclusion to all of these. At the end of the day, you still need to study for your exams. Whether it's going to be mock tests, online exams, real exams, or postponed exams, there's still exams and some serious exams. I do feel sorry that you guys have to go through this when studying for exams is already stressful enough. We're living in a very unpredictable era, and I'm sure doubts related to this matter pops up in your mind every time you think about your exams. But my advice is, try not to be stressed about this whole thing because it's not gonna make any difference. Nobody can do anything about it except the authorities of the exam boards, so let it be. This is the message I wanted to give you guys and the reason why I made this video. Be prepared for GCSE, IGCSE, or A-level exams because they will make sure you guys are thoroughly tested regardless of the method. For now, study your subjects and assume that there will be normal exams in October, November this year. Well, are you lost where to start? Have you tried the past exam papers yet? Good news! I make IGCSE tutorial videos on how to do past papers. Currently, there are 2020 specimen papers for chemistry, biology, and physics in this channel, so go check them out. They'll help you to do the past papers in the right way, and instead of memorizing everything, if you can understand 100% of it, you have my words that you will ace your coming exams. Listen to my explanations on how you should tackle the questions and absorb them. Also, I will appreciate it if you can comment below which papers you want me to do next. Good luck guys, and thank you for watching. Subscribe to be ready for your IGCSE exams and keep grinding. Bye!